So now I'm going to loosen this stator. This is the inverter motor of the washing machine. So now I'm going to check the Hall sensor or motor speed sensor. So now I'm going to detach this motor position sensor. So to detach this Hall sensor, I have to use this flat screwdriver. There is a hook here. Now it is detached. So now I'm going to measure the resistivity between the first pin from your left. This is a common. And first and second pin from your right here. First, second from your right hand, and first pin is the taken as common. So now you have to use this digital multimeter. It is in a 10K or kilo ohm in a resistivity mode. I hope you can see. 10.3 kilo ohm. Resistance between first pin and first pin from your left and first pin from your right. Make sure this black side is facing on top. Common and second pin from left, from right. Infinity resistance. Infinity resistance. This one is defective. And let me check this one and see. This black side has to face on top. First pin here is common. I hope you can see. Ten, 11 kilo ohm. Common and second pin from here, from light. this whole sensor is okay. This one is okay. You see it has a hook here. Make sure it is facing this guide hook. So now it is attached. Hey guys, I hope you have seen how you can check and replace a Hall sensor or motor speed sensor.